Jazz, and today our man in jazz is Wes Montgomery. And many years ago, about 1959, well, it was indeed in 1959, a dear old friend with whom I had been associated, owned a record company, which was Riverside, sent me a demonstration record of an album he was about to release. And it was a guitarist then quite unknown. It was Wes Montgomery.
We just went on a walk. It's a Saturday and I have the day off because the match is on. We just went on a walk with me and my mum and my dog. And my hair is absolutely drenched. I'm so wet. And my pants are covered in dog hair and sand, like completely covered. I'm just soaked.